Ha ha! If you remember the project over here, you will know what I'm doing next to this bathtub shower enclosed area. Well, it's not an enclosed area, it's just a bathtub with a shower attached to it. Yeah. Well, my next step in my project, I've already sealed these tiles, and the reason why I sealed these tiles is because these tiles were limestone. And they tell you on limestone that you need to seal a tile before you install the grout. I'd never heard of that before. Every time I've seen anybody do something, they install all the grout first, then they install the sealer. Well, you install the sealer here first because then the grout will not discolor your limestone tiles. Apparently limestone is more porous than a harder tile material, and so that's what we did. We sealed everything, and I'm back to install the grout. Now previously I installed some craft paper. It always sounds like I'm saying crap paper, huh? Craft. K-R-A-F-T. Craft paper. I'm gonna retape that down to get ready, and this little tile wall is being done, and this tile on the wall here is going all the way down to the floor, so I'm gonna have to put some craft paper down there. I'm gonna put some masking tape up and get ready to go. So if you want to see how to install grout on a wall for some wall tile, stick around. And by the way, has Joe ever done this before? On a wall? Something like this? No, I never have. So this is going to be interesting, and you'll know that if I can do it, you can do it too.